today's trade did not favor me at all. You understand? Today's trade did not favor me at all. It might favor every other people. You understand? But me personally, today's trade not favor me. You get? Let me show you the reason why I say today's trade did not favor me. Okay, this is 4-hour time frame. I'll go down to 15-minute time frame because I took my trade on 15-minute time frame. Let me go to 15-minute time frame, then I'll show you something. I'll show you that in very, very quick. Then we'll go into the analysis. Okay. Or what exactly? Something like this. So on my chart this morning, I see this particular engulfing candle. Let me, oh my god, how am I going to do it? Okay, let me just use this. Okay, I see this particular engulfing candle. Where is it? This particular one. You understand? Then I'm not on my chart. Okay, there are a lot of drawings. Let me delete them. Remove. Okay, so very early in the morning, I see this particular engulfing candle. This particular candlestick that closed above this bearish candle. I'm not on my chart. I'm not there on my chart that time. Then on my chart, when this particular one form, it form, I say, hi, this particular candlestick form, and it did almost at the resistance level. You understand? So I should just leave it. I leave it. Truly the market not go far. It come down here, take out this particular low, all this low, take out this low, this particular one, take out all this low. You get? Then I can't see I see this particular engulfing candle again. So as I see this particular engulfing candle and the market take out the low from this particular area, I said, oh, I'm going to take a buy from this particular candlestick that form. So I'll be then I just wait. I say I'm not going to take the buy from here, from this particular area. That I'll wait for the market to come and maybe tap on this particular area. You get? Tap on this particular area. I don't know if you guys are seeing it very clear. So I wait. The market did not come down. This is 15-minute time frame. I wait till this particular candlestick close. So I say, let me just forget it. That's how I miss all this move to the upside. And that's the reason why I said today market did not favor me. It might favor other people, other traders, but it did not favor me. So now I'm going straight to the analysis, because these days dollar to Europe is dollar is depreciating very well to Euro, according to my thorough research. According to my dollar is very dollar is depreciating very depreciating to Euro. You understand? Because of behind the scene things that is happening. You understand? Because of behind the scene things that is happening. Because of one thing or the other that is happening in the US is making the dollar to be depreciating and Euro is appreciating. You understand what I mean? So let's go straight to the higher time frame. Let's analyze our chart from the higher time frame, just as we always do it. So please, before we go far, if you have not if you have not subscribed to the channel, please like and subscribe to the channel. Just as I always say, I document all my trade for you guys, and I analyze the chart for you guys. Everything I'm seeing on the chart, I would like to make sure you guys understand it. Just that the strategy, you guys might not really understand the strategy or pick it at once, because there are psychological there are psychology behind every strategy. You understand, ba? There are psychology behind every strategy. It's not every strategy that you just see once and catch it once. No, there are psychology behind every strategy, but I make sure I show you what I see on the chart before I take any particular trade. So I did not take a trade today, I did not record any video today. So I just do short video concerning the trade that I missed. Then that's all. So let's go straight to the analysis. Let's go to weekly time frame. I'm going straight to weekly. Okay, this is weekly time frame. I'm going to expand it so that we'll see it very clear. So on the weekly time frame, I do this analysis last Sunday. You understand? This week Sunday, I'll just say this week Sunday. I'll do this analysis last Sunday. So I see this particular week just like a double top. Double top. This particular candlestick is the one I do the analysis on. This particular candlestick. So as I see this week, this long week, and it closed below this particular, like it closed almost like double top. You guys know what double top means. So as you see this particular pattern, and as I'm explaining it, you're supposed to grab what I mean now. So I do the analysis that the market do something like a double top. So if you have not watched that particular analysis, you can go back and watch the analysis. It's very okay. You will know how to do your top down analysis from that one, but even from this one you can know how to do your top down analysis also. So let's continue. So I see this particular candlestick that day, and I say the market do something like a double top. That what we'll be expecting this week will be something like more like a downtrend, because if you look closely, the market is trying to form something like an M pattern to me, because this is a hammer, this is weekly hammer, and weekly hammer they happen and it is send the market back down. Even if the market will go up, it won't go and break above the last resistance level. But this particular engulfing candle that is going on, this particular not engulfing, because this is a bullish candle and this is the bullish candle also, and not that it engulfed this particular. This particular one is bearish, then I'll say this particular candlestick engulf this one. So if you don't know how to differentiate engulfing candle from normal candlestick, then that's the difference. Now I'll show you the difference. So I think maybe if the market will even do anything, it will not go far to close above all this resistance level. But now what are we seeing? We are seeing that the market is going very far, even more than what we are expecting. So more than what we are expecting. So that shows that dollar to euro, dollar is depreciating and euro is appreciating in value. You understand? When dollar is depreciating, means people that are invested in dollar are converting their dollar to euro more than people people are invested in euro more than dollar this period, because of economic news and other things you get. So that's the reason why dollar is depreciating in value. So my expectation this week is the market to come down, maybe form something like a M pattern, then come to this support level before we'll see any move to the upside. But the market break above this particular candlestick. So I'll go down to 1 hour time frame, a daily time frame, then we'll see what the market is doing on the daily time frame, then we'll know what to do next. So this is daily time frame. This is exactly the resistance level will mark from the daily time frame. And as you can see, the market, what are you seeing here? Today's candlestick, yesterday and today candlestick close, and it closed very strong, and it closed above the resistance level, means the uptrend continue. You get, this resistance level is a strong resistance level, and the market have break this resistance level already. Means the uptrend continue. What exactly are we expecting from tomorrow till next week? That's the only thing we are going to deal with now. From tomorrow till next week, what exactly are we expecting? What we are expecting will go down to 4 hour time frame, then we'll mark a support and a resistance level. That's the only thing we'll do. We'll mark a support and a resistance level. Okay, then this is exactly what I want all of us to see on the 4 hour time frame. You see this small candlestick, this small red candlestick, and this particular one, they are very strong. Whenever you see this particular candlestick, they are very strong. So what we will do, we will not say the market will come to this support level before we see another push to the upside. What we'll do, we'll mark I'll mark this particular bearish candle out. analysis, I'll mark this particular bearish candle out on the 4-hour time frame. Then I'll delete this particular one from the daily time frame, from the weekly time frame. Then I'll mark this one out also. I'll mark this one out also. No. Okay, pick. I'll mark this one out also. Okay, and I'll mark this one out also. So this is the support level we are expecting the market to retrace to. These are the support level that I'm expecting the market to retrace to before we see any other push to the upside, because presently the market have break the strong resistance level that me personally I'm expecting that, like, to me the market will not break that particular resistance level, but now the market have break it. So these two candlestick that I mark from 4-hour time frame is where I'm expecting the market to retrace to before we see another push to the upside. So now we'll go to 1-hour time frame. This one I'm breaking it down to all of us. You understand? Even if you are a swing trader, a day trader, or a scalper, I'm breaking it down to all of us now to understand what will happen and what we'll be expecting. You understand? You know, forex is a probability game, so anything can happen. That's the reason why this particular market break to the upside, because to me the market, like, from my own analysis and my own expectation, is the market to form something like an M pattern from the weekly time frame and go to the downside, but it break to the upside. That's the probability game, and that's the reason why we need stop loss in all our trades. Even if you're a scalper or a day trader, a swing trader, you need an SL. You need to, like, put your stop loss every time, anytime you take a trade. So we are going to 1-hour time frame and see what the market is doing. This thing is making noise. Let me silence. Okay, this is 1-hour time frame. Okay, on the 1-hour time frame, you can see that the 4-hour candlestick that will mark, there's a support level. You understand? So anything that will push the market, from this particular area down to this place, there must be a respect to the upside. You understand? There must be a respect to the upside. Maybe form something, go up again, come down to this particular support level, clear this particular one, take out the liquidity from this particular one, come to this support level before we see another push to the upside. Do you understand this analysis? That 4-hour candlestick that will mark, that small candlestick, that red small candlestick that will mark, they are very, very strong. They can move the market to any direction. Market can come to that particular area and consolidate, then break to the downside, and market can come to that particular area, consolidate, and move to the upside. But presently what I'm expecting is the market to come to that particular area, this particular area, consolidate a bit. It will not even consolidate much. Switch to 15-minute time frame, you see it will form something like a W pattern, or 5-minute time frame to form something like a W pattern from this particular area, then go to this area. You understand? Before it take out this particular low. Immediately you take out this low, the next thing is to go up and create another higher high. You get? That's how markets work. It must take out a liquidity, then move very fast to the upside. So I don't want this particular analysis to be long like that. So I'm going to end it very, very fast now. So this is 1-hour time frame. You understand? So all you need to know if you are analyzing your chart is to go to the weekly time frame, know what the weekly time frame is saying, then go to the daily time frame, know what the daily time frame is saying, then go to 4-hour time frame, mark your support and resistance level from the 4-hour time frame, then come down to 1-hour time frame, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and take your trade from that from that candlestick. Me personally, I use 15-minute time frame to confirm my entry. I don't know what other people use. You might be using 1-hour candlestick, even 3-second candlestick, 30-minute candlestick, 1 hour, 4 hour, any type of candlestick you use to confirm your entry. It's very good if it is working for you. But me personally, I use 15-minute time frame. And if you want to learn how to, like, if you want to learn my strategy, oh my god, NEPA don't carry light. And if you want to learn my strategy, let me on this light. Let me on this light. Oh my god. So the video have ended already, so there's no light anymore. So if you want to learn my strategy, you can reach out to me on this particular phone number, the number that is showing. Reach out to the number, and on WhatsApp, I don't receive call through that number. Reach out to the number on WhatsApp, then we'll talk. It's not free. So thank you guys, and I see you in my next video. Bye for now.